Welcome to the channel. In this video, we will discuss about the topic models of teaching. This topic is also a part of paper Techniques of Teaching of B.Ed Semester 1. Let us start with what is model of teaching. According to Bruce and Marcia Weil, model of teaching is a pattern or plan which can be taken up with a view to shape a curriculum or course to select appropriate instructional material and to guide the teacher's action. Teaching models are just instructional designs. They describe the process of specifying and producing particular environmental situation which cause the students to interact in such a way that specific changes occurs in the behavior. So in brief, we can say that model of teaching is an interaction of student with the teacher that cause changes in the behavior. Next is what are the characteristics of models of teaching. First, it follows scientific procedure. Second, specification of learning outcome. Third is the specification of the environment. And lastly, specification of criteria of performance. Then come functions. Models of teaching their functions key. First, it helps in bringing about desirable changes in the behavior of learners. Secondly, it helps in achieving desirable teacher-pupil interaction during teaching. Thirdly, it helps in the construction of a curriculum or content of a course. Fourthly, it is very useful to develop social efficiency, personal abilities, cognitive abilities and behavioral aspects of the student. Fifthly, it helps in designing appropriate educational activities. Sixthly, it helps in guiding the teacher to select appropriate teaching techniques, strategies and methods. And lastly, it helps in the formation of theories of teaching. Then comes elements of models of teaching. Four major components are included in all teaching models. Each of these components will vary with the models. ਹਰੇਕ ਟੀਚਿੰਗ ਮੋਡਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੇਨ ਜਿਹੜੇ 4 ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਐਂਡ ਇਹ ਕੰਪੋਨੈਂਟਸ ਮੋਡਲ ਟੂ ਮੋਡਲ ਵੇਰੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ. The 5 major components are: first is focus, second is syntax, third is social system, fourth is principle of reaction and last one is support system. First come focus. That is a central aspect of a model. Focus ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ include ਹੁੰਦਾ objectives of teaching and the aspects of the environment. Second is syntax. Syntax, the sequence of steps involved in the organization of complete program of teaching. The phases involved in different models will differ. Next is social system. Models ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ social system ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ? The relationship between the teacher and the learner as well as their role played by each in the activities that take place. Next is principle of reaction. The nature of reaction expected from the teacher to every pupil activity. It will vary from activity to activity. It gives guidance to the teacher as to how he is expected to react to each activity of the learners to suit the characteristics of the model selected. Last is support system. Additional requirements other than the usual human skills or capacities of the teacher. The facilities usually available in the classroom. A description of the support system in advance will help the teacher to ensure that he can apply the model successfully. These are the 5 major components that are included in the teaching models, but this component will vary with the models. Next is families of teaching models. Teaching models ਨੂੰ mainly organize ਜਾਂ divide ਕੀਤਾ into the 4 main families on the basis of the way the approach educational goals and means. First is information processing family, second is personal family, third is social interaction family and fourth is behavioral modification family. So start with information processing family. जो इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोसेसिंग फैमिली है दैट मेनली फोकस ऑन द इंटेलेक्चुअल कैपेसिटी। इस फैमिली का पर्पस किया, फर्स्ट इज मास्टरिंग ऑफ द मेथड ऑफ इंक्वायरी, सेकंड developing the skill for processing information, and lastly it foster the ability to think logically। इस फैमिली के अंडर जेडे मॉडल्स आते हैं, द एग्जांपल्स ऑफ दिस मॉडल्स आर, फर्स्ट इज कंसेप्ट अटेनमेंट मॉडल ब्रूनर दा, सेकंड इंडक्टिव थिंकिंग मॉडल हिल्डा ताबा दा विच इज़ वेरी फेमस मॉडल, इंक्वायरी ट्रेनिंग मॉडल, एडवांस ऑर्गेनाइजर मॉडल, memory model, biological science inquiry model, and cognitive growth model। Second family is personal family। This family mainly deals with the personal development of the individual, like information processing family mainly focuses on the intellectual ability, same as personal family focus on the personal development of the individual। The primary goals of this family are to increase the student sense of self-worth, secondly to help the students understand themselves more fully, thirdly to help students refine their emotions, to foster the students creativity। These are the four primary goals of the personal family of teaching models। Examples of the personal family are, first is non-directive teaching model by Rogers, synaptics model by William J. Gordon, conceptual system model by David, awareness training model by William and George Brown, classroom teaching model by the William Glasser। Next is social interaction family। This family mainly emphasizes on the relationship of the individual to the society। From the name it is very clearly indicates that social interaction family means the relationship of the individual to the society। Primary goals are to train work together, to develop student skills for maintaining human relations, to inculcate personal and social values। Examples of this social interaction family is group investigation model by the Herbert, role-playing model by the Fanny Sheftel and the George Sheftel, social simulation model by the Sharon Cook, social inquiry model by the Benjamin Cox, and last is the behavioral modification family। It mainly emphasizes on changing the observable behavior of the learner। इस फैमिली के जो मेन गोल्स ने, these are to develop competency to adopt behavior styles appropriate to given situation, secondly to learn strategies for self-control through operant models, thirdly to master techniques for stress reduction, and lastly to foster leadership quality। एग्जाम्पल्स जो इस फैमिली के अंडर आते हैं, फर्स्ट इज कॉन्टीजेंसी मैनेजमेंट मॉडल बाय द स्किनर, मैनेजिंग बिहेवियर मॉडल ऑल्सो बाय द स्किनर, स्ट्रेस रिडक्शन मॉडल बाय द जोसेफ वॉल्प, assertive training model by the Wolpe and the Lazarus। Lastly, thanks for watching this video.